With the outbreak of the COVID pandemic, Commandant Coast Guard has initiated Operation Blue Lightning. Operation Blue Lightning is a layered security defense strategy that ensures Belize maritime borders remain safe and secure.
The operation has been going 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we have positioned vessels strategically at Consejo, the Corozal Bay and Sarteneja. We also conduct anti-human and weapon smuggling operations as well. So we check all vessels that are within the area and check for safety as well, ensuring that the safety of our citizens on the water as they transit the Corozal Bay.
The situation here is that we're experiencing a lot of drug trafficking entering into Mexico. Furthermore, we're also experiencing illegal jumpers, people from Mexico entering the country illegally, and also contraband. Our primary role here as the Coast Guard is to provide 24/7 patrols to prevent these illegal activities from happening.
Any resident or citizen can call the Coast Guard hotline at 999, which allows the Coast Guard to respond in an efficient manner to counter any illegal or illicit cross-border activity that may be occurring in the maritime domain.